Hello mga yinyens! Mga yinyens, no, ibablog ko lang yung schedule ngayong araw na to, no, yung April 9, araw ng Martes, yung schedule ng MPBL mga yinyens. Ito mga yinyens yung, basahin ko lang mga yinyens, no, yung page ng Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League. Ito mga yinyens, basahin ko lang, no. Game day April 9, 2024, Villar Coliseum, Las Piñas. Siguro pag may-ari ito ni Senator Manny Villar, kasi Las Piñas, Villar Coliseum. Shout out kay Senator Manny Villar, no. At tsaka may yes, no, 4 PM, no, magsimula sa alas 4 kung malapit kayo sa Las Piñas, no, sa Villar Coliseum po, Las Piñas, kung malapit kayo doon, no. 4 PM, no. Magsimula yung Bacolod versus Iloilo. Tapos 6 PM naman is Pampanga versus Rizal. Tapos 8 PM magsimula yung Manila versus Parañaque. Yun mga yinyans, no. Nakalagay niya yan, no, sa Facebook page ng Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League, yung kung saan nyo siya mapapanood. MPTV, no, FD Live, YouTube, Pilipinas Live App. Ito may basahin ko lang yan sa 6 more teams including defending champion Pampanga Giant Lanterns begin their season today as MPBL action ship, no, to the Villar Coliseum in Las Piñas City. The Lanterns starts their title defense, no, against a new look Rizal Golden Colors, while Bacolod and Iloilo clash Western Visayas rivalry duel. Manila also makes its much anticipated debut against the Parañaque Patriots, led by former finals MVP Mark Yee. And millions, no, hashtag MPBL, hashtag 2024 MPBL, hashtag Liga ng Bawat Pilipino. And millions, no, araw ng Martes ngayon millions, no. Shoutout din pala kay Senator Manny Pacquiao, na siya yung founder ng MPBL, no. Season 6 na, kaya ayun millions, no. Shoutout kay Senator Manny Pacquiao, ang butihing senador na nagsimula nito, ang Liga ng Bawat Pilipino. Okay, mas yun yung schedule. Ito yung game day naman mga yans, no, game day schedule. Ito yung ayan mga yans, no, game day. Ayan, nakita nyo mga yans dyan, nakita nyo dyan sa nilagay ko. April 9, Tuesday, Villar Coliseum, Las Piñas, no, Bacolod, Iloilo, 4 PM, Pampanga Giant Lanterns, Rizal, 6 PM, Manila and Parañaque Patriots, 8 PM. Ayun yung tatlong game, 6 teams, no, maglalaban mamaya. Kung malapit kayo sa Las Piñas, sa Villar Coliseum, huwag nyo kalimutan manood na yun, no. Okay na yun, no. Salamat sa panonood. God bless you everyone. More power. Keep safe sa buti kayong kalagay. And bye bye mga yinyens.